Good evening students, welcome back. Welcome to the Abacus classes. I hope kids that you all are fit and fine at your places. Now kids, as you can see that our today's video topic is worksheet and add bead 50 in this Abacus tool. Now kids, you are quite familiar with this tool already. Yes, in my previous videos also, we have put many beads in this tool. Now, as you can see that in this worksheet, I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 structures. Now, what does this structure means? See kids, in this structure, you have to write down the value. As you can see that I have drawn the beads. Beads are drawn in this structure and one line is there. So, you have to count the beads and then you have to write down the value. So, in this worksheet, what you have to do kids? First of all, you have to color the beads. Yes, you have to color all the beads and then you have to write down the value. Count the beads, write down the value. So today we will do this worksheet. But kids, before starting this worksheet, we will revise all the beads which we have studied till now. Yes. So, first of all, we will revise all the beads. Now, 1. Second abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now, we will make a quick revision of the parts of abacus 2. Now, as you can see kids, that the outer part is called frame. Very nice. The mid rod, this mid line is called the value bar, or you can only say bar. These up beads are called upper beads. These lower ones are called lower beads. So, this is your abacus tool, upper beads, lower beads, frame, bar and dots. Now kids, we will count the beads. See, we have studied the beads from 1 to 9. From 1 to 9 and 10 to 90. 1 to 9 and 10 to 90. So, we will revise the beads. First of all, 1. Now this is bead 1. Now 2. 2. Now 3. 3. See 1, 2, 3. Now 4. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5. Now for 5, this up bead. This is 5. Up bead, when it goes up, it becomes big and its value is 5. I hope kids you remember. Now this 5 and 1, 6. 5, 6, 7. 5 and 2 beads makes 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 9 beads. Now kids, just remember the beads from 1 to 40 which we have studied in this abacus tool. 10. See, 10 bead is in the second line. I have told you that the beads which are in the second line, they are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Same way, 10. Then 10, 20. 10, 20, 30. And the last 40. See, 10, 20, 30, 40. So, 1 to 9 and 10 to 40 beads we have put in this tool. Now kids, as you can see that we have to count the beads here. Now let's start our today's worksheet. And after that worksheet, I will tell you how to add bead 50 in this abacus tool. Now kids, how you will count? See, First of all, we have revised all the beads. Now, we will count the beads here. Now, how you will count the beads? See, I have told you that in the second rod, the value of the beads are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. So, you can see kids, 2 beads are there. Count them. See, here are no beads. So, count these beads. Now, 10, 20. So, its value is 20. This way, you will count the beads. And one more thing, you have to color the beads also. And again, I will repeat that you can color it with any color according to your choice. Now this. Now how you will count it? See, in this structure, you have the beads in this rod. And in this rod, no beads were there, so it's easy to count. But in this structure, you can see that the beads are in this rod also and this rod also. Both the rods are having the beads. Now count them. See how you will count it. First of all, count this rod bead, second rod beads. Yes, you will start counting the beads from second rod. First of all you will count the beads in the second rod, then you will count the bead in the first rod. This is the sequence. So, count this bead. Now this is 10, 20. 20 and what is 1, 2. Now 22. Just spell them in a combined manner. Means spell both of them together. 22. 22. 22. So its value is 22. See, you just have to speak them in a combined way. Means together you have to speak both the beads number. 20, 10, 20, it is 20. I have told you that the beads which are in the second rod, their value is from 10 to 90. And the beads which are in the first rod, their value is from 1 to 9. So, this is 10, 20 and this is 1, 2. Now some students will get confused that ma'am, these are also 2 and these are also 2. So why its value is 2 and why its value is 20? See kids, the beads which are in the first rod, their value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the beads which are in the second rod, their values are 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes. You will not count it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. These are from 1 to 9 and these are from 10 to 90. Now count them together. 10, 20. And this is 1, 2. So this is 2. And this is 20. Now together spell them. 22, 22, 22, 22. Now this. Now what is the value of this bead? I have told you that when the bead comes up, goes up, it becomes big and its value is 5. Now count these beads. See 10, 20, 30. Now spell them together. 35, 35, 35, 35, 35. You just have to count the beads and then spell them together and you will straight away get the answer. Same way we will go for the next beads. Now as you can see that 5, 6, 7, 8. So its value is 8. See kids, you should know how to count the beads. See, this bead is up. So it is above the line. So its value is big, means 5. Now you will count this after 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. So its value is 8. Now count this. Its value is 10. Now 10, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8. You are not getting any number. So this you can add directly here. 10 plus 8. Do here 10 plus 8. 8 plus 0. 8 and 1 as it is. So its value is 18. This you can do directly also. Means you can add them. 10 plus 8. What is 10 plus 8? 18. Now kids, the last sum. Now count it. See. This is 10, 20, 30, 40. And this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now count them. See. 49, 49, 49, 49, 49. So this way kids, you have to color the beads. Yes, I have forgotten to color them. You have to color the beads kids. This way you have to color each and every bead, and then you have to count it also. Now the beads like 18, 19, this you have to add them like this. As rest of the beads like 22, 32, you can spell them together and you can write the answer directly. So kids, this. I hope kids that you get this worksheet, today's worksheet. With this video kids, I have given you one PDF, means homework. In that homework, there are sums like this only. Yes, I have drawn the structure, I have drawn the bead and one dash is there. Down, you have to count the beads and you have to write the value. So kids, first of all, note that worksheet in your Abacus notebook. Yes, first of all, just note down all the sums from that worksheet in your Abacus notebook. Then color all the beads. And after coloring, count the beads and write down the value. So kids, this is the worksheet. Now we will move to the Abacus tool. Now as you can see, our today's task is to add bead 50. Now kids, you can see that up beads are up, lower beads are down. Now what is 50? If I will draw one bead here, so its value will be 5 in the first line. But the same bead, if I will draw in the second line, so its value is 50. So this bead, the second broad bead, up bead, its value is 50. As I have told you kids, that this 10, 20, 30, 40 in the second rod. So the bead which goes up in the second line, this second line, the bead which goes up and it becomes big. So its value is 50. See, if the bead, this, so its value is 5. But if the bead will be here, so its value will be 50. This is 5, this is 50. So how you will add 50? Dot rod, first rod, then the second rod, a bead, 50. Then how to add 50? Just put this 50 bead down. As it touches this bar, it contains value, it attains value, and its value is 50. So kids, today what you have learned two things. First of all, how to count the beads, and the second thing, how to add bead 50 in this abacus tool. So kids, this much only for today. Next time we will meet with a new activity. I hope kids that you got these sums. Kids, please complete all your pending work of abacus notebook. Yes. Make sure kids you watch every single video and stay tuned to the video to learn more. Thank you.